I'm so happy to see you today. Welcome to another Circle Time. Let's take a look at what's on our schedule for today. First we have, as usual, our hello song. We're going to say hello. Then we're going to sing the more we get together. That's right. Then we're going to switch it up a little bit. Before we read our book, I want to try something new and play a game. We're going to play a game together. And this is a special kind of listening game. I think it's going to be so much fun. We're going to play our listening game. And then it will be time for us to read a book. And then, after our book, our circle will be all done. So the first thing we're going to do today is we're going to say hello. Now sometimes we have friends who can't use their words to say hello, but we can use other ways to say hello. We can wave with our hands, we can smile. Sometimes we can use technology like an iPad or a special tablet or a button like this that says hello. Listen to what happens when I push the button. Are you ready? Are you listening? Let's listen. Hello. Hello. The button is helping me to say hello. We're going to use this in our book, but we're also going to use it for our hello song. So will you sing with me? Let's sing together. Ready? Get your hands ready. And we'll say, hello. 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 And how are you? I'm fine. I'm fine. And I hope that you are too. Hello. And our hello song is all done. Thank you for helping me to sing hello with my special blue button. We've said hello, so let's take it off. And now it's time for the more song. That's right. Let's do it together. Get your hands ready. The more we get together, together, together. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. For your friends are my friends, and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Hooray! And our more song is all done. So let's take it off. More song is all done. What's next? That's right, it's time for our game. Now, like I said, this is a special listening game. Are your ears ready? Let's put our special listening ears on. Ready? How many ears do you have? Do you have 3 ears? No. Do you have 5 ears? No. We have 2 ears. Ready? 1, 2. Are you listening? Can you hear? Perfect. You are ready to play our game. Now I'm going to show you 2 animals. Then you have to listen very carefully to the animal sound that you hear. Then you need to guess which animal did you hear. All right, so let's look. First I have a chicken and a sheep. Now we're going to listen to our sound very carefully, and you're going to tell me, was that sound a chicken or a sheep? Okay, let's listen. Did you hear that sound? What was it? Was it a chicken or a sheep? You tell me. That's right. We heard a sheep. A sheep says, "Ma, ma." Great job. Okay, you got one of them perfect. Let's try the next one. Are you ready? This one could be a little bit tricky. Is it a horse or a cow? Let's listen. Was it a horse or a cow? What did you hear? That's right, it was a cow. The cow says moo. That's right. You heard a cow. All right, let's do another one. We're gonna bring the chicken back. Let's see. Will it be the chicken this time? Or will it be a goat? Let's listen. Who's making that noise? Is it a goat or is it a chicken? It was the chicken this time. We heard the chicken. The chicken. Okay, we have 2 animals left. Who's going to be first? Will we hear the goat or the horse? Let's listen very carefully. Listen. Who was that? Was it the goat or was it the horse? You're right, it was the goat. All right, let me see if I can trick you. Are we gonna hear the sheep again? Or are we gonna hear the horse? Listen very carefully. Who was that? Who made that noise? You're right, it was the horse. You got it, the horse. Wow, you are a good listener. You got a sheep says ba, a cow says moo, a chicken says cluck cluck, a goat says meh, and a horse says neigh. Well, our game is all done, and now it's time for us to read a book, and all these animals are going to come back. It's a very special book, one of my favorites, and we're going to hear all these animals some more. So let's go listen to our book. It's time for us to read a book, and today we're going to read one of my favorite books about the little blue truck. Have you ever read this book before? It's such a good story. So let's open it up and find out what the little blue truck is up to. Are you ready? The little blue truck likes to make a noise. Do you know what noise a truck makes? It goes beep beep. Now I have a special button that some of my friends like to use to help make sounds. Let's push it and see what sound this little truck can make. Ready? Beep beep. Horn went beep. Engine purred. The friendliest sounds you ever heard. Little blue truck came down the road. Said Blue to a big green toad. Toad said, and winked an eye, and when little blue truck went rolling by. The sheep said, cow said, said a piggy, and said Blue. Said a chicken, and her chick said said a goat, and Blue said who's next? Said a horse, said a duck, and said the friendly little blue truck. Honk, yelled a dump truck. I'm coming through. I've got big important things to do. I haven't got time to pass the day with every little duck along the way. Vroom went the dump. Around a curve, he saw a puddle and tried to swerve. But into the mud rolled the big fat truck, and his big important wheels got stuck. Oh no, can you roll your wheels? His wheels got stuck. Ugh, can't move them, they're stuck. Oh no. His heavy-duty dump truck tires were sucked down deep in muck and mire. Cried the dump, and he sounded scared, but nobody heard or nobody cared. Then, into the mud, bump, 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 came the little blue truck to help the dump. Little Blue pushed with all his might. Now Blue and the dump were both stuck tight. Help, 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 called the little blue truck. Beep, 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 I'm stuck, I'm stuck. Everybody heard that. Beep, 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 the cow came running with the pig and the sheep. Up at a gallop ran the big brown horse. Goat jumped over the fence, of course. The hen came flapping with the chicken, the duck, and everybody pushed the little blue truck. The little blue truck needs your help, help, help. Can you help? Push. Ready? Get your arms up. 1, 2, 3. Push that little blue truck. 1, 2, 3. Push. Did it work? Head to head and rump to rump, they all pushed Blue, who pushed the dump. They couldn't quite budge that heavy load. Then who hopped up but the big green toad? What's that toad doing? He's showing his muscles. Can you show us your muscles? Show us your muscles just like that toad. All together. 1, 2, 3, push! One last push, and the trucks were free. Thanks, little brother, said Dump to Blue. You helped me, and they helped you. Thank you, said the dump truck. Now I see a lot depends on a helping hand and a few good friends. Beep, beep, said Blue. Who wants a ride? Then everybody scrambled to jump inside. Here comes the duck the goat, the chicken and her little hen, the horse, and the sheep, and, oh dear, there's a lot of them, and the cow, and the pig, and the little green toad. They're all piling up in the little blue truck. Here they go. They're on their way. Do you see them? They're all climbing inside. And little blue truck says, bye-bye. And our book is all done. I loved reading that story about the little blue truck and all his animal friends who helped that big yellow dump truck. Thanks for reading with me. Our book is done, and that means our circle time is all done. Can you make a circle with your hands? Make a little circle and peek through. Circle is all done, all done, all done. Circle is all done. And now it's time to say goodbye.